Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, I got a beautiful Chevrolet pickup truck for you today. Big block under the hood, and as you can tell, she's a four-wheel drive, all customized out, looking sweet, man. I tell you, look at that. We got a custom grill in there. We got brand new bumper. Got a custom hood on it also. Sun visor up there, looking sweet. And this baby's a 4-speed too. That's right, you get to shift gears in this baby. She is looking beautiful. It's got a lift on it. Tell you, everything about the truck just absolutely gorgeous. Really love the visor on there. And then they've shaved the door handles. We got a remote here for opening the doors, and that's sweet. Got custom door panels there. We got beautiful paint on the inside. Got custom gauges there in the dash. Just everything on the truck is done so nicely. She is absolutely beautiful, man. The upholstery on the seats all brand new. All the weather stripping's brand new on the doors. Everything about the truck just absolutely gorgeous. That great big long bedside there, straight as an arrow. All the reflections is looking good in the paint. Got dual exhausts there. You see the step bumper, looks like it's brand new also. Now you guys know, pickup trucks know that the tailgates take a beating. Well, this tailgate's in beautiful shape. And then they've put the bed liner material in there. That's the spray on. I mean, it looks like a brand new bed in here. My wife's got a brand new Chevrolet pickup truck and it's got a similar bed liner on it. You look down the passenger side, just as beautiful as the driver's side. Very, very straight paint job on this thing. Love the chrome caps on the bed sides here. That helps protect your paint. With that bed liner in there, you can actually haul some stuff with this baby. And she's four-wheel drive, got the lockout hubs on her, everything. So give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this beautiful truck. Here we go. Let's take this baby for a ride. Give me a sand dune. Give me a mountain to climb. Let's go. Get this baby in the mud. Of course, you put this baby in the mud, you're going to have to do some cleaning on this thing because she's too beautiful to be wearing all that mud all the time. But I tell you what, that's what four-wheel drives are for, especially back in 1973. There was not that many four-wheel drives out there, so this was a rare beast back then, baby. You had a four-wheel drive, I mean, like city trucks and railroad trucks and all that kind of stuff. About the only thing that had a four-wheel drive unit. This guy just wants to see me drive by. He wants me to go first. He wants to check this monster truck out. Tell you what, love the sound of the exhaust. Love the fact that we're shifting gears. I tell you, that's another rare thing too, shifting gears in one of these babies. I mean, she's driving nice for a lifted truck with them big tires, going straight down the road, looking good. Now, Tom can tell you all about this beautiful truck. You call him anytime at 248-974-9513. Now, check out the aftermarket gauges they put in here. Now, it doesn't look like the tack is working right now. I'll see if the guys can get that working for you. All the other gauges appear to be working. It's got an aftermarket stereo in it, which is very cool. Dash pad's in beautiful shape. Tell you, that was the first thing to go on these babies back in the day. My dad had, I think it was like a 78. But yeah, that dash pad's one of the first things to go. That sun will bake the crap out of those. Of course, this dude will probably spend the rest of its life indoors. Unless you're at a car show winning awards. Tell you, this thing could be fun in a parade too. You could pull a trailer, put all the kiddies in the back there. Remember when I was a kid, you could ride in the back of the truck and go anywhere. Not today, just in a parade they'd let you do that. Put a big old sign in there. Put the prom queen back there. All right, we're gonna go back and we're gonna put this baby up on the lift so you can check out just how nice the bottom side is. And on a truck like this, you better be looking at the bottom side if you're looking at one to buy. Probably the most important thing about a vehicle like this is the bottom. Stick with us. All right, underneath this truck is beautiful. Remember that thing I said about the mud? I don't think you want to do it unless you want to do a bunch of cleaning. Look at the bottom of this truck, man. It is gorgeous. I mean, look at the exhaust pipes. It's stainless steel, all polished up, looking sweet. Everything is painted up. I mean, if this isn't powder coated, it is a beautiful paint job, man. They did some great paint work on this thing. As a matter of fact, as I look at it now, I think it's just a really good paint job. I do not think it's powder coated. You can see that it's got new brake lines, we've got a nice cover on the rear end housing, 411 gears in here, and it is an open rear end. The shocks look like they're fairly new. We do have bump stops here, but I don't think you're ever gonna hit them because this thing's got such a lift on it, and it's got a body lift on it too. She is just beautiful under here, man. You can see that the bottom of the bed's painted red, the bottom of the cab's painted red. I mean, just everything about this thing is just gorgeous under here. I see a new brake line going front to back here also. I mean, all new hardware under here. He's got jet coated headers here. Of course, the manual transmission we were talking about earlier. We got dual shocks up front here. Of course, same rear end ratio in the front end, so it's the front rear end, or the front differential, I guess I should say. And right here's the hooks you're gonna be pulling your buddies out of the mud with right here. The front bumper does look like it's brand new. The tires definitely look like they're brand new, or real close to brand new. Great looking wheels, and these tires are 315/70 17s. And then you can see that paint work in the wheelhouse there looking beautiful. The wheel lip molding also looking beautiful. I mean, everything about the truck's just gorgeous. This is an award-winning truck for sure. I already told you about all the good-looking paint work on the bottom side of the cab. I mean, somebody spent as much time on the bottom of this truck as most guys spend on the top side of the truck. And of course, out back here, we got the same good looking wheel, and it is the same size, 315/70 17s. And again, that wheel well just as pretty as the top side. Well, we're gonna lower this baby down and look under the hood. All right, guys, under the hood, just as pretty, man. Look at this thing. Gorgeous. Of course, we got AC, that's an aftermarket AC pump on there. Looks like a big old Demon 4-barrel sitting on top of that 454. You can see she's got power brakes. It's got CPP master on there. It's all chromed up there. Looks like the windshield wiper motor's brand new. It also looks like the firewall's painted up nice. You can see the power brake boosters painted up nice. I mean, just everything about this thing is beautiful. All the AC parts look like they're new. I mean, the bottom side of the hood's all painted up. I mean, this is show, go, and four-wheel drive, baby. She is gorgeous. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.